Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Since setting up a lemonade stand to raise funds to support other children in foster care, an Oklahoma kindergartner who was adopted by a new family has touched hearts around the world. Aliyah Robinson, 6, was placed in state custody at birth because of opioid abuse from her mother. She had spent her youth bouncing around foster homes and in shelters for girls. But one day, her forever mom, Misty Robinson, found her and her 2 younger siblings and adopted them. Aliyah, who had just turned 4 at the time, had previously been placed with a foster parent who had given Barbies, a bike, and even a small electronic tablet to her as toys. Yet she was surprised to find that when she arrived in the new family home, her baby brother did not own any toys at all. Immediately, the little girl went to her room to try to find something in which her little brother could play, to come back with a stuffed bear, a block, and a little book. It was then that she knew she wanted to support other foster kids who weren't as lucky as her. The idea of Aliyah setting up a lemonade stall came after she had been out with her mom and younger brother Elijah at a garage sale. The couple, living in Sulphur, Oklahoma, saw a group of teens setting up a lemonade stand to raise money for the quinceañera of a friend. Her mom explained to Aliyah that she had bought some lemonade from them so they could buy some beautiful clothes. And so her idea was born. Her mother decided to buy the mixes and lemons, and her grandparents contributed cups and chips, and Aliyah collected $132 at her first stand, looking forward to the $1 bills piling up. She chose the bears she wanted to buy herself on the internet, and she also decided to give a Bible and a toothbrush to each boy. Aliyah was able to create love packages for foster kids after shopping around, designing backpacks containing a pillow and a stuffed bear, a Bible, and a toothbrush and toothpaste at a cost of only $10 each. She's only donated about 300 backpacks, but she's cut out of her engagement for more than 400,000 kids in foster care in the U.S. Little Aliyah on her GoFundMe page has now raised more than $6,000. At one stand alone, she pulled in $1,400. More than 1,300,000 views on YouTube have already been racked up by a video of her charitable organization, and she has attracted the attention of celebrities, many of whom have supported her cause. Ellen DeGeneres seemed to have seen her post, and Usher on Facebook reached out to Aliyah, calling her a superhero. Companies and ordinary citizens around the country have provided help, with someone buying Aliyah the Barbie Jeep for which she'd saved, and toy giant Mattel bringing special presents to Aliyah's house. She also has provided hundreds of donated lemonade boxes and supplies for the foster kids to fill her gift bags. Her mom also had to spring a trailer to satisfy the growing demand. Her mother said, "I only want to keep loving her little gentle spirit that the Lord has blessed her with as long as possible, and hope that she will stick with it all her life."
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.